Wait, new Gorilla Tag update with Doofus and Gold Boy. Let's go check it out.
Oh, the Halloween flashback.
Yeah.
Yo, I've got two.
Okay. Oh, I got a little spider. Got the slingshot. Chocolate bar. Small chocolate bar. These dangly eyeballs.
That's not supposed to be.
Alright, got the canine set. Ooh, got the cloud
I can actually
set.
do.
Ooh,
Dude,
the robot
I really
set.
want this.
Alright, this is my new fit, everybody. My Halloween fit for Halloween. Let's go check out the rest.
Guys,
Let's go check out the rest.
Goldie, check out my new fit, Goldie.
Oh, it's just basically a flashback sale, everybody. Alright, let's just go check out just the Halloween update in general. Guys, let's try and spawn Lucy. Yeah, it's not spawning. Oh, we spawned Lucy! Never mind. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, and bye!